December 11th, Tacky Christmas shirt day. I am about to leave for work. Kelly's not having it. It is 37 degrees right now. It is very cold. It is all icy outside on the the windshield's a little bit, but on the front of the car. I'm gonna run by Sonic on my way to work and grab a burrito and an iced tea. Meanwhile, I have groceries coming this afternoon because I'm going to do some baking. I have stuff I have to make for Friday night for our book club party. And then Parrish and Greg are having a party this weekend that we're going to, and I'm making something for that. We have no free time. Like this evening is basically all the time I have, and tomorrow evening, though I have a therapy appointment in the afternoon. But Kaylin is staying home today. She was miserable yesterday. Like when we left the concert, I felt so bad for her. And Kelly is getting ready to leave for work. But I'm gonna go, and I will check in with you a little bit later. Olaf has somehow entangled himself up here. I don't know. Hi guys, it's lunchtime update. I just realized that it's Wednesday, and on Friday I can start the Cricketmas advent calendar, the 12 days of Cricketmas 12-day thing. So that's an exciting addition. But we are expecting groceries today. I mentioned this morning, I'm sure. And I'm gonna do some baking this afternoon. We don't have to go anywhere today after work, which is very unusual for as of late. I think like once January hits, things are gonna slow down a little bit, but it has just been a lot. But we do have several things coming up this weekend, so that I'll be able to hopefully include somewhat in our vlogs, because I feel like it's just been a lot of me talking and opening advents. And so we have to do last night's advent because we got home late, we had a shower, we were just tired, and then we'll do tonight's advent also. But anyway, that's my current update. Our 12 days of Christmas gift today at work was getting to wear sweats, which I didn't. I'm wearing jeans with my tacky Christmas shirt. So it's a cat with Marie Antoinette hair that looks like a tree. And what was the other part of it? Oh, we don't have PLCs, which are like our planned learning community meetings that we have like once a week on Wednesdays. So we don't have that today. And then I don't know what tomorrow is. I guess we'll find out. I am home for the day. I'm gonna do some baking. I think Kelly is going to work on the pool because the leaves keep dropping into the pool. And we're having beef stew that I made this weekend for dinner. And that's pretty much all I know. So I'm gonna go in and get started and hopefully show you some baking. Okay, I'm gonna get started. I realized I can't really record while I'm baking, which was my intention because my recipes are on the phone. So, but yeah. Have my cookie sheets lined. The hot chocolate and butter. Have my cinnamon sugar made. And this is just sugar cookie dough. Mexican hot chocolate cookies. They're a little more step intensive than the other stuff. So I'm getting these done, and I'll link that recipe down below for you and show you what they look like before they go in the oven. Here's what they look like before they go in the oven. Here are the cookies finished. Now I'm starting on toffee bars. So this is the crust for the toffee bars before it goes into the oven. And you top it with chocolate chips and it melts. They're so good. I have showered. I am finishing up, I finished the cookies, did the dishes, have the toffee bars in the oven, and I'm heating up the beef stew. So this is the base of the bars out of the oven. I'm gonna put some milk chocolate chips on there to melt. And I'm gonna make another thing of this tomorrow, which didn't have another Pyrex, so that's in the refrigerator. Here is the beef stew that we're gonna eat for dinner.
Yeah, it's real good.
Kelly, do you like it?
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love stuff like this.
I'm so glad.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Meanwhile, look at these cats hugging each other's butts. It's Godiva chocolate time. It's a new Godiva chocolate theme song that I just wrote.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they need to like call me. Contact my people. Have your people call my people.
You need to copyright that.
I know.
No, I can't do it.
Oh no.
Stuck.
Ew.
Oh, there's tape.
Oh, that's why. Phew. Okay. We're on 11. It's your opening day.
Oh, yeah, there's 11.
Almost halfway through. Tomorrow will be halfway.
Oh, 2 weeks from today is Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we've already had that guy.
Yeah, we had this
I don't
guy.
even remember what it was.
Remember, he kind of looks like a half smile or a moon, and we couldn't figure out what he looked like. A chicken?
Mm-hmm. Oh, milk chocolate. Oh.
It's got praline.
It doesn't even taste like praline. Not like in the traditional Tex-Mex sense.
It's real mad about it, everybody.
I mean, I guess it's not supposed to be Tex-Mex, but behind the scenes. All right. You try it first.
I mean, we've already tried it.
Well, you try it again first.
I mean, it's not bad. But once you've had this Lady Godiva and the dark chocolate ganache tart, this is mid.
Poop. Let me turn the camera on myself to eat this other half of this guy.
Oh, the last of it's not very good.
It's like it's very nutty, but not like good. Like, it's like walnuts. Walnuts are the worst nut.
I like walnuts on brownies. Toasted walnuts?
Walnuts have like this kind of taste of like tree bark. Time for Clark Griswold Jr. and his, what is it? New land speed record? I can't remember. I don't know. I'm having a moment. Oh, I opened this one this time.
Wait a minute.
I'm sorry. I got ahead of myself. No, it just vomited a whole bunch of things.
Look at that RV.
Yeah.
Shh. It's real exciting.
It ran over Clark. Oh.
You dropped.
It ran over Clark and then I dropped the phone about it. Okay.
It's gonna be real good about it. It's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be real good. Oh.
It's a pig? What the heck is it?
What's a bird guy?
What does this have to do with anything? Wait, is it... Don't they have like a little chicken
Advent.
guy?
Isn't it in their Advent calendar?
I feel like in the back of the kitchen, when he's talking to Ruby Sue, there is this little like chicken guy that's kind of like ones that my mom has, that my grandmother, my dad's mom had painted, like ceramics. So otherwise I don't know. I don't know what the relevance is here.
We're gonna have to watch it again for the millionth time to see.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be terrible.
No, I love this movie.
I'm called a sarcasm person.
Ready?
Oh. It is day 11. You opened it this time. I opened yesterday.
Oh, there it is. It's not gonna be raspberry.
Probably not.
I think it's gonna be grape this time.
I hope it's not like elderflower guava paste jam.
We haven't had anything grape flavored.
It is not grape flavored. It is pineapple. Pineapple yuzu.
What is yuzu?
I don't know. I've never heard of it before. But stuff the stockings, Kelly.
Yeah.
Hey, what did yesterday say? Did we read it?
Season's greetings. Didn't we already get a season's greetings?
I don't know.
I thought we did.
I'm very strong. Oh my gosh, I am not very strong. I cannot open this guy.
What are we gonna do about it?
Lesbian husband. I cannot open this. Just gonna open it real easy. Yeah, that tracks. I couldn't open it.
You got it going.
Life.
You got it ready for me to open.
Let's see if it smells.
Oh yeah.
You smell this.
Okay. Looks good. It smells like a hard pineapple candy.
Oh.
It smells good.
Okay. Sniff test. I mean, I smell a little bit of pineapple, but I don't smell a whole lot.
No, it's not overwhelming.
Yeah. Kelly is going to do the honors of placing the spread upon the crackers. Oh.
It's very jelly.
Is coming to see what's happening.
I'll fix yours in just a minute.
You're going to fix his in just a minute?
I'm going to fix yours in just a minute.
You don't have to do anything fancy today.
Well, I'm going to swirl it around.
She likes to spread this for me because one time I asked her to spread it, and now she has to spread it because that's the kind of wonderful person she is.
See that? That's real good. Guys, I did real good on that
That's
one.
beautiful. That's like a professional appetizer, finger food, hors d'oeuvre.
Mine's fine. I'm kind of excited to try this one.
I can smell pineapple now from here. Ting!
Mmm. I don't really taste pineapple. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's kind of a back note. Top note. Bottom note.
That note guy.
Yeah, one of those notes.
No, that's good.
That's pretty good.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Better than the raspberry one.
Yeah.
But I like the raspberry and the blueberry one.
I liked that one spice one. I can't remember. It was like quince. Was it the quince spice? Yeah, that one was good. This was good. Well, we did a little more stuff today. A little bit, because I baked some stuff. But
You did a little bit more stuff today.
You worked on the pool.
Yeah, that was real not fun about it.
As far as vlog content-y stuff, I suppose. But we're going to wrap this puppy up. It's already after 8 o'clock.
Is it really?
Way past our bedtimes.
Oh, it's already after 8 o'clock.
But at least tomorrow's Thursday, which is a day closer to Friday. And I have a horrible sty or allergic reaction to something right here.
So a raw potato. No, you don't eat it.
I know, it just still made me like gag reflex thing. I don't know what that is, but I feel like it's gotten worse like in the past hour or two. But anyway, so on that note, we're going to wrap this up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today for Vlogmas Day 11, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.